Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to go in and change your settings for your monitor. So I'll be going over to how to change your resolution, the screen size, also showing you where you can change your refresh rate, check the refresh rate, and just some overall settings for your monitor. So what you want to do to start off, just right here on your desktop, right click, and it'll bring up this little menu right here, and what you want to do is go down to screen resolution, and what this will do is it'll bring up your general screen resolution tab or console. And what you want to do is here you can check what display that you have. So if you have multiple monitors, this is where they would show up. It would bring down a drop down menu, and then you could choose which display you would want to adjust. You can also hit detect and identify if a monitor is not showing up on here, and it'll pick that monitor up and show it on there for you. You also have the resolution, the drop-down menu. Right now the recommended setting is 1366 by 768. You can drop that down. I wouldn't recommend that if you drop it down. I'll show you right here. So let's go a little farther down to 800 by 600. 800 by 600. Hit apply, and it just doesn't really look right. Doesn't look clean. It'll ask you if you want to keep the changes or revert. So I'm gonna revert back to the 1360. Let's go ahead and keep that at the recommended settings. You can also change the orientation. So if you have a monitor that isn't connected, like I have right now, to my laptop, you can flip it different ways. You can mount it on the wall. If you want to do a portrait or landscape, different orientation, you can do that as well. After you get these settings all taken care of, you can go over to the Advanced Settings tab, click that, and what it'll do is it'll bring up this little window, and this is your generic PNP monitor. And what this does is it shows your adapter, your monitor, also gives you a troubleshooting tab and color management. So your adapter tab, what that'll do is it'll display the adapter type. So that's your graphics card, your graphics chipset. It'll give you all the adapter information, make, model, number, all that kind of stuff. And if you need more information, you can hit the Properties button, and it'll give you this little tab right here. This is actually the same thing that you'll get if you go into Device Manager. Click on your display adapter and hit the Properties. What this will do is it shows you again just some basic information on your display type, your adapter, and also gives you the driver information, driver version, also your details as to what exactly this device is, the resources that it's pulling. So we can go ahead and just hit cancel on that. Also your monitor. This will just show your basic information on the monitor that you have. Again, I'm just using currently the monitor that's attached to my laptop. So you can hit the Properties, and again, just like the adapter, it gives you some basic information, manufacturer, location, the driver information, and just some overall details. You also, on the monitor tab, have monitor settings, and you can choose a refresh rate, which on the monitor that I have currently is 60 and 40 Hertz. You can change the refresh rate if you would like to do so. You can also change the color between 32-bit and 16-bit. I like to keep mine at 32-bit, so I'll just keep it there. You also have a troubleshooting tab. If this tab is actually lit up and it allows you to click it, that means there's something wrong. Then you can go here and have Windows kind of go through a troubleshooting process to help you fix whatever the issue is that you have with your monitor. And your color management tab, what this is you can go in and go to the Advanced tab and actually calibrate the display. You can go through here and adjust the settings, so you can change the red, green, blue. You can change the refresh rate. You can change the gamma settings and the brightness settings, and it'll just whenever you hit the calibrate display, it'll walk you through a little setup wizard and just help you through adjusting your screen so that it looks a little nicer and cleaner. But you can always go back and manually set all the settings that you want to change just to get the screen the way that you would like to have it. And that's pretty much it for this portion of the video. What I'm going to do next is actually show you guys how to set up a dual monitor setup. And so I will be right back out and show you guys how to hook a laptop up to another monitor, and then go back into the software and show you how to add it. So I'll be right back. Alright, on to the next and last part of this video. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how you can hook up a dual monitor setup. This is actually my setup for work. I have right here a 23-inch display, and I'll be connecting it via the HDMI cable. I have an HDMI output right here on the side of my PC. Don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to take this cable right here, plug it right into that port, and you'll see my monitor's already set up for this. So it's already brought it up on the display, and that's just connected right to the back of this. But where you would go in and adjust the settings, again, just right click, go down to your screen resolution, and now you can see that I have two different monitors, and I have it set up to where my laptop monitor is actually the secondary, and the 23-inch display external monitor is my main display. And I can actually drag this window over here, and it just makes a lot easier for working. I can have all my email stuff over here and then be doing something on the other screen. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.